Welcome, guys. It's your boy Mpumi and Co with Funds and Gelo, where investing means more. So, guys, today we're gonna be doing a market breakdown of S&P 500 and Nasdaq once again, guys. So, uh, I'm gonna give you updates into the last. I think I posted it last week, a few days ago, 5, 6, 7 days ago. The market breakdown, and finally those setups played out. Remember last time I was saying uh, that we are not going to be entering at those exact areas because those are the exact areas that I actually entered here and right now. But I told you guys I'm looking forward to entering. Let me just show you with S&P quickly. Where I entered here. If you wanna go check out my updates in terms of my MetaTrader, how it looks like on the MetaTrader, just know that I've uploaded a short video just before this video. Go check it out. Like that video, guys, so you can push the YouTube algorithm and stuff. Also, this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. So yes, so I told you gonna be looking for entries at that area. So the market finally came back into our desired area. But at that time, remember, like, look at this now. Prices have stabilized in terms of we had a 1.87% right here, right? So normally this would have been last week. I think it was around 3%, 4%. Some it was just too volatile, too expensive, in other words. And the stop loss, our 0.45% stop loss was very tight. Therefore, we did not go for those entries and stuff like that. And that's why we did not go for those entries. uh we did not literally go for those entries, right? Because everything was just too tight. But then I yet again said that, like, we're just gonna wait it out. If it takes long, it takes long, right? That's literally what I said. If it takes long, it literally takes long. So uh just what happened, it was like that. You see now prices are stabilized. Also, if you look at that icon here, you see it's 0.7%. It's moving relatively at the numbers that we are used to seeing, not seeing a 3%, but market has only done three candlesticks. It does not literally move like that normally. So we wanted for prices to stabilize, even though yes, it was a good place to enter at that time. We were not taking entries there, but since prices have stabilized, then I was like, these are the entries. We taking these entries on Monday. We took those entries, guys. We took those entries. Also, Nasdaq. So basically, I trade Nasdaq and S&P same account. So if S&P gives me a signal before Nasdaq gives me a signal, I'm gonna take S&P signals. As you can see, if you guys still remember my market breakdown from last week, there we go. You see, we are there. And for Nasdaq, we are looking for prices to continue. Let me see how the structure for Nasdaq is, guys. I'm gonna do do a whole breakdown. You can check the previous video from last week. It's still relevant, guys. Also, this video, its relevance might come not exactly now, but it might just come in a few days time, because we don't control the speed of the market. So as you can see, it's respecting. So, and guys, remember from my lessons on W patterns, this is another W pattern for currencies that I ate, which are also featured on the website, on our official website. The free lessons on trading there too. So you see, we had a W market broke, we tested, then we look for entries, guys. So now we're looking to complete this whole W pattern. So now, since I've closed S&P's on stop loss profit, I can look for another entry. I can scale in with another entry right now, because that one is already on stop loss profit. I don't like taking two indices at the same time, guys. So right now we're gonna be waiting for retests. Then we'll be looking for pushes to the upside. Retest as in bearish candlestick, bullish candlestick. And you also want to look at the 4-hour pattern, guys. Keep one thing in mind right now, is that, okay, the market has just gave us an impulse, right? So we might expect a little bit of playing the market playing around here a bit before actually giving us those entries. So watch out for pullbacks, because now we are from an impulse. We're not expecting it to impulse immediately, so just wait for those minor impulses. So I don't know, because the thing is that I also want to do live trading with you guys. So when I do, like when I'm about to enter, so I can just go live trading. So just let me know if that's something that you would like, and if I was to do it, will you guys be there to stream it with me and stuff like that, be online, and we can just watch it, you know. So let's just first get this channel to at least 100 subscribers before we start doing live trading, guys. Let's get this channel to 100 subscribers, and we're gonna do our first live trading. We're at 84 subscribers. Let's push it to 100, guys. So thank you to everybody who subscribe, and who's been following the channel, man. I've been getting a lot of good reviews from people, man. It just makes me happy that I can actually, you know, help out wherever I can help out. So as you can see right now, guys, the market is literally just giving us a form of correction. It's giving us a form of correction. Let me just see what's happening. And another thing, before we enter, we need to understand, if it does give us those retests, where are we gonna stop loss? So basically what I would literally just do from now, because for me, I'll just enter it as it is. I'll just enter it as it is right now, because we're having some form of correction right now. So I'll literally just wait for the market to push back here. So I'm gonna add in my thingy, my alert today. So you have an alert placed right there. Let's just quickly switch to 30-minute, 1 hour. I just want to see the candlestick formation. 4 hours. Do you have a retest on 4 hours? Yeah, you need that 4-hour retest there. So yeah, we'll just wait for prices to push back here. Once prices give us those touches right here, you know, correcting in this, we'll look for impulses. If you guys check all my trades, man, we go I do a lot of impulse trades, you know, a lot of impulse trades. Just like this one was an impulse trade, and also a nice beautiful W retest, and we ate it, man. We ate it. We've been riding it from Monday. Now it's Tuesday. It's Tuesday, guys. It's Tuesday. So basically, that's it. Let's check how much we stand to make with this trade, because this looks like a relatively beautiful amount of return, because we're gonna be taking these prices right about that area right there, right? And like, if you guys been checking my stop loss trailing exercises lessons that are posted on my YouTube channel for free, you guys will notice that I always target mid zones, right, for our stop loss. So this will be a nice mid zone here. That zone out there is an exit zone. This one is a mid zone. So mid zone separates your entry point and your destination. So if you're selling, your mid zone will be that bridge that you use before going to your target zone, which is your TP over here. That's if you're selling, right? Then you'll have your stop loss just here, and your entries will be here. Your entry will be here. Market pushes, retest, stop loss and profit, and then like that. And if you are buying, the same principle works. So you'll have your pushes, like let's say retest. Now we'll have our pushes to the upside, break, retest, and we'll have our target zone. This is our target zone, right? Our mid level, broke, retest, and then we'll have our stop loss below our mid level, and we have our entries right there. So basically just like that. So we are looking for entries on Nasdaq. Yeah, we're just looking for entries. So we want to see how the market will react. Sometimes the market might push, break below, ne? Play a little round, play a while, ne? Don't expect it to do exactly like, yo, it's gonna break. Yeah, it can literally just play around first. It can also, let me just give you different types of variations. It can just play around like this, play around, break back and start pushing up, which will, what will it do if you look at the other, if you're looking at it at a different perspective, right? It can also be creating a new trend here, a new trend like this, right? It can do that. So be careful, don't, like, just be careful, wait and see how it approaches that level first. Wait for your entries. Wait, let's see how it reacts on the 4 hour. You're gonna have a bearish candlestick, bullish. Once we get that, then we're good to also enter. But keep in mind the market can play around first. Even after it does give you a perfect entry, it can still do that. It can literally still do that. But hey, if it does do that, then if it breaks back again, we'll catch it again, then you'll make back your loss like that. So let's see. This is a 2% move. It's a 2% move. It's a big one. It's a really big one. This one. It's a really big one. Let me just do it like this. 1 point. Okay. You can go for like 64, man. Going for 2%, 2% move. You can literally just, now let's bump it at least a 55%, man. It's Nasdaq. Hey, just leave it at 55. Then you see we have our stop loss below our support here, because we're expecting market to respect the support and go. Sometimes the market can wiggle. If it does do that, our stop loss has a kind of a amount of distance, allowing the market to do what it needs to do. Sometimes it can break, hit it, come back, then you recatch it again, you know what I mean? But the target is up. The target is up. So since, if this is our take profit here, because guys, you can literally, if you want to be, if you want to take it directly to your support, you can. The reason I stop at 2% is because that's my overall gain that I would like to go for. That's my like ultimate, like the desire, like that's where my maximum speed or maximum distance for any trade that I take is. I don't want to stretch it further. I know people, they do, which is also fine. It's just for me, I like 2% is like, okay, where I draw the line. I'm happy if it gets to 2%, even if I see that it can still cover a much greater distance than that. I am happy with just the 2% because it's a really big move. You can still target as 0.3, 0. Now for me, 2% is generally is just my target. So everybody will have their own target range. It's also important to do have a target range, guys. It's important for that. So let me just hop back to S&P. So we know we're gonna be entering for Nasdaq. S&P still have those alerts, right? So S&Ps are kind of different for now, a little bit different for now. Keep in mind that if S&P, we've broken out of this trend, let me change this trend's color, guys, so that we must not have conflicting. Let me just zoom out quickly, just show you. Remember this trend, we had a trend here first. Where is it? Let me just go to the daily. Yeah, we had a nice beautiful daily trend, pushes to the upside, down. So the market is playing above this trend right here. In case if it's not clear what I'm talking about, this trend right here. So as you can see, I did not mean to do that. The market is playing above it, so it's respecting it. We're having a double retest on the resistance, so the market can still continue pushing up, right? Then we also have a secondary channel trend right here, right? Let me just kind of give it a zooming. Let's just change the color of this trend, guys, so just makes it a little bit easy on the eye. we'll make this, let's make it purple, blue, purple, it's purple, that's purple, let's make it purple. There we go. Is this purple? Look, it's purple, man. So as you can see, the market has broken out of this trend, right? The purple trend. Now it looks like I said, guys, we're expecting for the market to give us retest before, if it is going down, before it goes down on the last market breakdown, meaning that you can capitalize on those pushes back to the resistance area, which is what we did. That's why my TP is where the resistance normally occurs on the previous support. But we are looking to continue, since we've broken out of this daily trend right here. We can also assume that the market might have power to push back in here and go up. So that's what we also want to capitalize on. We want to capitalize on those breaks back into this channel, right? So that's why we're having my TP. It's almost at the TP. I'm just gonna let it ride, man. If you guys have checked my stop loss trailing back test, you've seen that I have a couple of trades that actually do return. It can return and go hit my stop loss right here. It can return literally, because you are on an impulse move which hasn't completed. As you can see, the market is slowing down. There's not a lot of push candlesticks that are strong, that are pushing to the upside. And we ate that beautiful impulse, right? We ate that beautiful impulse, and we sharpen it down to 30 minutes. We ate those beautiful impulses, so the market can also push back here to our, here's our mid zone. My red key level here is my mid zone. This one here, it's my mid zone. Let me just use a zone instead, guys, so you can see, because I quickly had to just adjust everything. Yesterday I was really busy. So the market has broken out of the mid zone. We have the stop loss there. We had a retest. Now the market can also give us a correction back here before pushing to the upside. So we're not gonna fear anything, because sometimes these corrections can literally just hit the stop loss and push back. But sometimes it can just break back, you know. So we will never know what the market. Like I said with Nasdaq, anything is possible. But the game plan is that since we understand the game, the market can just give us a correction before making those pushes and completing our trend. So that's why I have my TP where I'm expecting the retest to happen. If it's going to continue going down, we expect those retests here before the market going down. But if I was to be biased, I'm betting. If it was more about betting, I would say we're gonna be looking for pushes in here. Market will break in here right into this trend, then we'll be looking for our entries right here. We'll be looking for our entries right here. We'll be looking for our entries from here back inside here, right? But most probably the best entries would be up here at this alert up here. Like, let this one play out just to give us more confirmation. Let this one play out, because it can just play out in this manner. But once it breaks back in here, we are going for entries right there. So here's another signal for you guys. Right there is our signal entry. It's our signal entry right here. So always come back to my videos. Don't just, if you're still not sure, always come back, guys, and check if it's still aligning with what I'm doing and everything like that. If it drastically changes, then I will literally just do another market breakdown, give you guys updates. But yeah, man, we'll have our mid zone here. So basically this will be a stop loss zone area right here. Now let's just let's cater for these ones. Yeah, this one instead. Just tighten that quickly. There we go. We'll have our mid zone right there. So once the market breaks back, yeah, you taking your entries, right? Yay, entries are going up, retests, stop loss and profit, then you are good. That's basically it, man. That's basically it. So just to give you updates in terms of what to expect next. I'm gonna also upload uh the psychology lesson that I've recorded. I think I recorded it last week. Also the same day that I did part 2 and part 3 of stop loss training. Just that I've been really busy, guys. I've been really busy. And if you want to see my MetaTrader trade, go check it out on the short videos on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to go check it out and see the distinction between the trading view and my MetaTrader, my S&P 500 trade. So let's see if you can lock in on those profits, guys. Let's see if we can lock in on those the TP. Either way, we were still gonna lock in on those profits if it does hit our stop loss and profit. But here's our trigger zone. My alert is placed. I am literally just done with the market for now. I'm gonna be busy with other things. I'm really busy nowadays. I'm really gonna be doing other things. Then I will upload the psychology lesson. If not tomorrow, then the day after that. Hopefully everything does go according to my plans and everything. Then I'll do part 3 of S&P 500. After that, guys, I'm gonna do currency lessons, so be sure to check it out, guys. So man, that's basically it for me. I'll see you guys next time. Until next time, guys. It's your boy Mpumi and Co. with Funds and Galore, where investing needs more. And guys, like I said, one more thing before I depart, right? Let me just talk about one more thing that I'm looking to do, guys. Like I said, guys, what's this? Make sure to like, subscribe, guys, because like I said, I am going to do live trading with you guys, hopefully, so that I wanted to also demonstrate this when I enter these trades here, to demonstrate it on live trading. So it's to show you guys, okay, we've reached this point, we are about to enter, like now we're also hitting take profit. So yeah, so I can do live trading. So let's get this channel to 100 subscribers, then I'll be doing live trading, my first live trading session with you guys, hopefully around 3 when the market is, booming and stuff like that. But otherwise, guys, I'll see you guys next time. It's your boy Mpumi and Co. signing out. Like, subscribe, guys, because like I said, I am going to do live trading with you guys, hopefully, so that I wanted to also demonstrate this when I enter these trades here, to demonstrate it on live trading. So it's to show you guys, okay, we've reached this point, we're about to enter, like now we're also hitting take profit. So yeah, so I can do live trading. So let's get this channel to 100 subscribers, then I'll be doing live trading, my first live trading. Like, subscribe, guys, because like I said, I am going to do live trading with you guys, hopefully, so that I wanted to also demonstrate this when I enter these trades here, to demonstrate it on live trading. So it's to show you guys, okay, we've reached this point, we're about to like, subscribe, guys, because like I said, I am going to do live trading with you guys, hopefully, so that I wanted to also demonstrate this when I enter these trades here, to demonstrate it on live trading. So it's to show you guys, okay, we've reached this point, we're about to enter, like now we're also hitting take profit. So yeah, so I can do live trading. So let's get this channel